this tutorial, we will talk about what is MATLAB environment and user interface. So here we are watching current folder command window workspace. We say this MATLAB layout. We can change MATLAB layout from the home tab, and from home tab there is a ribbon in which many commands are shown. For example, first new script, new live script, and from here we can also make a new script, live script function, etc. and so on. All these things we can open a recently closed task, find files, compare. We can import data from outside like hardware, save workspace variables, new variable, open new variable, clear workspace, favorites, analyze code, run, end time, clear commands. From here we can use Simulink. Simulink is used to drag Simulink basically is used to copy and paste the elements. Without coding we can get the desired output. From here we can change layouts of MATLAB. So I am using 3 column. Let's use default layout. In default layout I have current folder, workspace and command window, and then after that preferences, set path, parallel, add-ons. From add-ons we can add different toolboxes. Help, if we need help we can go from here. Community, request support, learn MATLAB. Through learn MATLAB we will move on to MathWorks website. From there we can learn MATLAB. So first of all, what is current folder? Current folder is a folder where we will work. For example, our mFile will be saved here, and all other types of files will be displayed here. In Workspace, the variables will be displayed in variable that we will use in our command window. That we will use in our editor window, and that is a mFile. So first of all, let's get then after home we have plots, and we have different types of plots, like I'll show you: favorites, MATLAB line plots, MATLAB stem and stair plots. What we will have to do, we have to select a variable in our workspace. Make sure that the variable have a large number of values, like approximately 10 to 15 to plot, and then you can see there are many number of charts. We can draw which one we want to use. Then there is reuse figure, new figure. We will see them later. In apps we can use by a single click. We can do our tasks, and this is for those who have issues with their coding skills. They can just do their task or their project with a single click. For example, let's say curve fitting. By clicking on curve fitting and giving the system to this will do the entire work. We can also get code from their MATLAB code, and you can see there are large number of toolboxes: image processing and computer vision, test and measurement. Then we have computational finance. After that, computational biology. Then we have code generation, then code verification, and so on. We have simulation, graphics and reporting. In apps, all these things are covered. We can design app by going on design app, get more app From there we can get apps that are developed by users or MathWorks. Install apps, same way we can install the apps that are developed by MathWorks or users. Package app, if you don't have any totals, you can go from here. Then coming back to our home tab, first of all, let's say I have a variable and I'm assigning it value 1. By clicking enter, it will show me a variable a having value of 1. Okay, and this workspace this command variable is shown in workspace a. By double clicking on this, it will show me the value of a. So it is a 1 cross 1. I told you in the previous video that everything in MATLAB will be considered as a matrix. I am assigning a single value 1. It is considered as a 1 cross 1 matrix. As you can see from here, it is a 1 cross 1 matrix. So similarly, I have another variable b equals to 2, and in the same way c equals to a plus b. You can see I have a variable a that is shown here, then variable b whose value is 2, then variable c whose value is 3. So what next we want to do, let's say I want that variable c is I want to clear variable c from workspace. I will run the command clear clear c. So you can see by using clear function I removed my variable c from workspace. No, it is not displayed over here. And if you want to clear all your space, just do clear all. In the same way, if you want to clear your command window, you can use CLC. CL stands for clear, C command, clear command. By pressing enter, my command window is cleared. Now if you want, by pressing the up arrow key, you can see your command history. I previously used clear all, CL, clear C, and so on. These are the commands that I execute before for my projects. So you can, if you want to repeat a statement that is large enough, you can use this up arrow key. And like you don't want to waste your time on writing this, so what you will do, you will go up here and press enter and it will be executed. So it will fetch variables from workspace. So there is no currently workspace variable, so it is giving me error. So I will clear my command. So in the same way, if you want to clear your workspace history, go here, clear command, go over here and clear command history. By pressing command history, are you sure you want to clear your command history? Yes. Now if I press up arrow key, you can see no commands recorded. So first we will do some tasks in command window. Let's say a equals to 5, b equals to 10, c equals to 15. So all the variables are displaying in the command window that I am using over here. So we can, in the home tab, by going in preferences, there are many options over here, and you can check everyone that what you want. So add-ons, app analyzer, code analyzer, colors. Let's say you want to use a different background color. So you can change from here background colors also. In the same way, read these things and perform what we do. Programming tools, command history, command window, comparison, current folder, editor, debugger, command display, tab, language, code folding, backup files, auto formatting, auto coding. From here by pressing fonts, custom, editor, so all the things are in preferences. You can use what you want. Now let's say I am using a new variable. If you want to add two variables, b plus c plus, let's say, three variable a, and without assigning a variable, you can see MATLAB will automatically assign it a new variable and store the result in it. So MATLAB is making a new variable ans on itself, on its own, storing the result in it. So in the same way, I can use another addition, multiplication, b multiplied by c. So this strategy is used for multiplication in MATLAB. B multiplied by c equals to 150. You can see b is 15 and 10 150, and now it is giving me answer, variable ans, and its result is stored in it. It's 150. Now you can see the workspace variable ans is updated with a value, with a new one value. So if you want to use this, you can also use this. Let's say e equals to ans subtraction 100. Let's say 150 is the answer, and you can see which one value is used, the updated. So let's clear this. So all this was about command window. Okay, we didn't save these variables. If we close our MATLAB and run this again, we will not be able to see these variables again. So what we have to do for that, we will make a new script or mFile, and the extension of MATLAB files, editor file will be .m. By using clear all command, everything in the workspace will be cleared, and to clear our command window we will use clc. So now I want to make a new script. I can also make a new script from here by going from here and script, pressing script. Then we can also make a new script by using keyboard shortcut Ctrl+N, that you can see over here. So first of all, let's save this. I will press Ctrl plus S, and I will save here by the name environment env underscore user interface intf. Okay, and press save. Now you can see it is displayed over here. Now if let's say my math I am using, when we open by it first time, you will see by default directory where MATLAB is installed. Let's say no, I don't know where is this file. This file is saved by going on editor, right click and copy full path to editor. Okay, sorry. Change folder. No, you can see this is saved over here in this directory in E drive. So first of all, let's use clear all command to clear our workspace, and then we will use clear command. Okay, and here we will do some basic operations like multiplication, addition, subtraction, and we will see some other command also. Let's one more. Okay, let's go. I will explain later. Let's say I have a variable a and its value is 3. Variable b, its value is also 3. By pressing enter, move on to the next. You can run by going on here. Here you can see my workspace variables are displayed over here, and if we see these workspace variables also shown over here in command window. So if you want these variables not, if you don't want to show these variables over here in command window, so what we will have to do for that, we will terminate each variable by a semicolon. Now if we run our command window, if we run this env.userinterface.mFile, now you can see I am not getting anything over here, okay, in command window. But you can check the value of any variable at any time in the command window. Let's say I got to check the value of a by writing a in the command window. Press enter, it will give me the value a equals to 3. Again clear command. So here I want to store its result in C equals to a plus b. How to write a plus? Shift equals to button, then it will write plus. In the same way, d equals to a subtraction b. Again f equals to a multiplication. This trick is used for multiplication. A multiplication b, terminator. Move on to the next line. A b c d, and we will use e for division. A divide. So this is used for division. More on this, you can see all the variables are shown over here. The results are shown over here in the workspace. If you want to check the value by pressing on each variable, let's say I want to check the value of d, press by double click a new file variable tab will be displayed in the editor file, and you will see the value 0. It is a 1 cross 1 matrix. So all this was about, and when we use editor tab, we can see we see more two tabs: publish, view. Okay, in publish app, where there is save section with title, you can change the format of these. Let's say select this italic, control. By using control Z command, it will let's say if you want to comment any, if you don't want to use any command, you can comment this. How you can comment this? Control, or by using controller we can comment this, and if you want to uncomment, control T. In the same way we can also comment this. Select whatever you want to comment and comment this, and this will comment. In the same way we can uncomment by clicking right click and uncomment. So in home tab, in preferences, fonts, you can change the font size from here. Let's say I want to change the font size 24. Sorry. Font size 24. Apply. Okay. Now you can see it's 24. If you want to change the font size, you can go in preferences and change your taste, I would say. And if you want to make it bold or italic, or you want to make it bold, italic, all options are available, so you can use from here, right? Let's say I am using bold, just bold, not italic. Apply. Okay, now it's bold. So all this was about MATLAB interface and MATLAB environment and user interface. In the next video we will see some commands. Thank you.